Hey, this is Simona. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn long-form content into short-form assets with team-gpt.
Yes, so inside of team-gpt, I have created a project called the Content Atomizer Agent. Now, what this project contains is two things, and they're both inside of the project knowledge. For the Content Atomizer Agent to work, we have to have a proper set of instructions telling it how to behave and what the process of atomizing content is. And I have also added some comprehensive deep research on what content atomization is, what the best practices are, especially for B2B. This document is about 25 pages long, and it includes various information about the best strategies for LinkedIn content or X content or email newsletters, how to disseminate and organize, how to schedule, and so on and so forth. So this is what's coming in the file. And then I also set up the project instructions. Now, the project instructions contain a couple of things. It's pretty standard. The way that I built them is I kind of wrote out roughly what I wanted the content atomizer to do based on what my requisites are. And then I kind of hit this button here, which optimized and kind of blew up everything that I had initially written into the proper instructions that are going to be well accepted. So yeah, as a quick overview, what I have in here, I have the core mission, I have the expertise areas that I need my agents to have, I have the strategic framework to kind of use, I have the step-by-step atomization process, then I have the platform-specific content tools. I have highlighted how I want the atomized content to behave. It's also in reference to the file that I've uploaded. It cross-referenced it when optimized prompt. I have my output requirements, and you're going to see what the output looks like, so I'm not going to go through them in detail. And basically, it's a bunch of technical stuff after, which were added by the optimizer here. So I'm going to save this, and I'm going to show you how this works. Basically, I'm going to start a new chat, and I'm just going to select an article that our CEO wrote. It's an AI adoption methodology. This is the proprietary way that we think that AI should be adopted so that we can ensure success across teams. And I'm going to say atomize the attached article. There's nothing else. All the instructions are in the project knowledge for this particular agent. So now it's going to start working. It's going through the project knowledge information first, kind of to get an understanding of what it should be doing. And now it's starting to produce or atomizing the content. So basically, it's going to create 10 atoms. It's going to be 4 LinkedIn posts, 3 X threads, 1 email newsletter, and we're going to require 1 visual asset. And you're going to see this breakdown further in here as well of the status of everything. The things that are marked as ready are things that you can literally just copy and paste into the platform of your choice. That being said, this is going through the article and it's creating all of the pieces, all of the atoms. It will output a lot of text. So we're going to have to wait for this for a little bit. It's going to take a couple of minutes, and I'll see you after. Okay, perfect. Now the atomization is ready, and you can see here just how long the scroll is. Now, I'm not going to review the results in here in team-gpt. What I'm going to do is I'm going to edit this as a page. And I'm going to pop it open in full screen. So now that I have this as a page, I'm going to quickly export it to Google Docs. And now you can see a very easy to navigate summary of all the atoms that were created. And you can see that it's like atoms 1 through 10. and you're going to find strategic notes and a content distribution timeline that is suggested. That's not necessarily going in a way in which the atoms were created. This is optimized for the best impact and storytelling that should stay consistent and feed off of each other across the different platforms. So this is the Content Atomizer in team-gpt. Do let me know how this works for you. If you want to update it, or if you have any comments, or if you want to break down the process into something different, let us know, and we're going to get this done for you. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this.